Yeah, good morning, computer scientists. Sorry I'm not there with you guys today. I am home with my little guy. He is really sick. So here we go, you guys. I'm going to ask you guys to complete some stuff in Turtle Graphics. And I'm going to make a couple videos to help assist you guys. So if I open up our Turtle Graphics, we should have our commands complete. If you do not, please complete those. Colors, we went through our video and a couple of the practice ones. You're going to want to make sure you work through these. And these are fairly simple. If you need to go back and look at any of these, please do, or watch the video. But right now we're going to go to loop. So I'm going to ask you guys to watch this video, take the little quiz, if you will, a couple question quiz, and then go ahead and look at these here. Play around with them, break them a little bit, and be prepared for this assignment right here, triangle. So if you need to pause this video real quick and get those done first, please do. And then you can come back and so you can understand a little bit more about what I'm doing here in triangle. Alrighty, I'm going to open up triangle here. And let's go ahead and look at our exercise directions here. And it says, try drawing a triangle using a for loop. Each edge should be the length of 50. You'll need to rotate Tracy left by 120 degrees after drawing each edge. Your result should look like this when Tracy is facing east. So again, we are doing the same thing here, the same thing here, and the same thing here 3 times. Why write all that code when you can do a loop? So we can do a for I. Let me make sure I am typing here. For I in range. And then we have to give it a range. And we're going to say we need 3 of them. Alright? And we always want to finish with a colon, if you will. Not a semicolon, but a colon. Alright? And so we're going to loop this 3 times. Now what's cool is when I press enter, it gets me nested. This is called being nested inside your for loop. You don't want to be back here. You want to be nested inside, so a tab, if you will. And so we are going to go forward 50. Now we don't need a colon after that, so we are going to then move left by 120. All right. And again, we're doing this 3 times. So it's going to move forward 50, left 120, and it's going to start all over again. Forward 50, left 120. It went through it twice now, and it's going to go through it one more time. Forward 50, left 20, and that's what this for loop is doing here. Let's go ahead and try to run code and see what happens. Tracy moves and ends up facing east as the directions told us to do. So I think I did it. Sometimes I want to go to my grading. I'm going to check my code, see if I have some green things. Alright, I made the triangle with 6 commands. Your code should contain a for loop. Turn left for each side, and sides have the correct length. Alright, excellent. So there is our first project. Now, I'm also going to be moving to a hexagon, staircase, as well as circle here as well. Again, using our for loops. So stay tuned for further directions.